Everybody, what's up? How are you? Hope you're fine now. Hope you have a good day, guys. Welcome back to another video about DogeCola, guys. In this video, I'm talking about the currently price update of DogeCola. Absolutely, DogeCola makes millionaire. So I think it is the last chance to be a millionaire. Guys, keep on this video complete. We will just shortly predicated DogeCola price. But guys, before starting this video, if you are new here, so kindly also I request you to subscribe FG's Tech channel for more news and update videos. Guys, first of all, now if we talk about the currently latest price update of DogeCola in the market, so as you can see, the currently latest price of DogeCola is about 0.00001127 USD dollar. That is the currently latest price of DogeCola in the market. Furthermore, 25.02% positive changes occur in the DogeCola. These changes is completely going positive in the market, so that's unbelievable. Now let me show you more. And you know what, guys, what's the reason behind that, why the price of DogeCola is completely pumping? And just I think from last 2 days DogeCola price is in the pumping mode. What's the reason? Simple, guys, is I predicted a lot of coin. If you check my previous latest update videos about crypto, so you found that I also predicated DogeCola that in the last week of October, possibilities that the price of DogeCola will pump. And now you can see here my prediction is going 100% right about DogeCola. Now DogeCola is in the huge pump, and I believe, guys, now a lot of people now DogeCola holders ask me questions about that, how much long DogeCola will continue this pump. So guys, I'm sure about that the DogeCola continue this pump to the last of 31 October, guys, to the last of this month. Maybe that in the November the price also continue positive changes, but I'm not sure about the November month, but I'm just sure about the October that the price of DogeCola will be positive in the whole October month, guys. Other side, if we talk about 24 hours trading volume, so guys, from this trading volume I believe that unbelievable profit are coming in at Baby Dogecoin, guys. Also in the DogeCola, Baby Dogecoin and DogeCola, these two coin is trending token in the market, guys. A lot of people are investing in these coins, so I also recommend for you that it is a chance to be a millionaire, guys. Never miss this opportunity, guys. Just buy now and make a huge profit if you want to profit, guys. So never miss this opportunity, guys. Anyways, my prediction is positive about DogeCola, and I suggest for all of my viewers, for all of my subscribers, guys, just holding and just buying. What's your opinion? Share on the comment box, and guys, don't forget to subscribe channel.